Embracing that. Mastering the switch from which to that. Hello, English explorers. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting aspect of English grammar, defining relative clauses. Specifically, we're looking at how we can replace which with that when we refer to things. This small switch can make a huge difference in how we construct and understand sentences. So let's get started. To begin with, both which and that are relative pronouns we use to introduce relative clauses. They provide additional information about something mentioned in the sentence. For example, the book, which is on the table, is mine. The book that is on the table is mine. The key difference is that which is usually used for non-defining relative clauses, which offer extra, non-essential information and are often enclosed by commas. That, on the other hand, is typically used for defining relative clauses, providing crucial information that defines the subject. Though which and that have distinct uses, it's possible to replace which with that in certain contexts. Especially in American English, that is commonly used in place of which for defining relative clauses. Take these examples. The car which is blue is mine. British English. The car that is blue is mine. American English. Both sentences have the same meaning. The choice between which and that is largely a matter of style and convention. While that can replace which in many cases, it's important to note there are situations where such a replacement is not appropriate. If the relative clause is non-defining, provides extra, non-essential information, or if it is separated from the rest of the sentence by commas, it's best to stick with which. For example, my car, which is blue, needs a wash. In this sentence, which cannot be replaced by that, as it's a non-defining relative clause providing additional information about the car. Great job sticking with us till the end. We've unraveled the nuances of using that instead of which in defining relative clauses. Remember, mastering these subtleties can greatly enhance your English fluency. Continue exploring, keep practicing, and you'll see improvements in no time. We hope this video was helpful, and as always, happy learning!